Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this colorful look using the NYX Off Tropic Palette. Stay tuned to see how it is done. For this colorful look, I already washed my face, applied my moisturizer, I did my brows, and I already applied concealer on top of my eyes, just to make the video a bit quicker. So to start this look, I'm using NYX Off Tropic. Just look at these beautiful colors. So for today's look, we will be using the following. Just remember, I did not apply any powder on the concealer to mattify it because I want the colors to pop and be bright. So to start, we're going to use the yellow in the inner corners of the eyes. Next, we'll be going in with pink. Yes, pink. Oh, pink. If you want to, you can use the same brush that you did the yellow with, but I'm going to use a new brush. So the pink I'll be applying just after the yellow. Just make sure the colors connect. Ooh, I like this pink. It's really vibrant. Make sure that the two colors blend together. It is very important to blend your makeup. Okay, so once you checked if your makeup is blending, we are going to use the next color. And next up is purple. So I'm going to use the same brush for the purple because pink and purple is close to each other. Oh well, I'm not gonna use the pink again, so why not mix it? When using the purple, also make sure that you blend it with the pink in your crease. Make sure all the colors blend nicely. So I'm just going to create the other eye and then I'll be back. Now with the flat brush, I'm just going to use my yellow and go under the eye. The yellow, then the pink, blend the two colors together. Just wipe away the eyeshadow that maybe fell. Good. For my highlighter color, I'm going to use Inglot Sparkle Dust Face. Sparkling dust, face, eyes and body. So you can use it anywhere you like. Okay, so I'm going to apply this just under my brow line. and I'm just going to make sure it blends nicely. If you want to, you can also apply a bit of the highlighter just in the inner corner to give it some extra glow. So next up, foundation. For foundation I'll be using Inglot AMC. I think it's over here. Yes, AMC LW500. Now that my foundation is ready, I'm going to use my NYX palette, NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, to contour my always remember to blend your contouring and a bit on the forehead, on my jawline. Once that is done, I'm going to use some of my Inglot Sparkling Dust again to get this glow. Wow! On my cheekbone as well. And a bit on the tip of my lip, on the tip of my nose. Blending these together. To end this look, I'm going to apply sorbet. How do you pronounce sorbet? Sorbet. Sorbet. So, how? Let's sorbet. Gaan Google. Gaan Google. YouTube.
I feel, to me,
Go.
is the sorbet facial cleanser.
Sorbet.
Now, I know there's a lot of
Sorbet. These aren't sorbet. No. To end off this look, I'm going to use sorbet lashes and a nice and bright NYX lip color. And this is NYX Liquid Lip Cream. And the color is LSCL. And there you have it, my off-tropic NYX makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it some thumbs up, go follow me on Instagram or Facebook to see some of my work, and stay tuned to see some more makeup tutorials. Bye!